So, andito na kami. Kami na yung sunod na sasakay. Woo! Good luck for us. Good luck, guys! Ikaw talaga, ha? Pinoprisa mo ako. Woo! Nakasakay ako nito pero gabi. First time ko sumakay ngayon na daytime. Claire. Woo! Good luck to them. They're back. They're back right there. So kami na. So, woo, it was good. Tapos na kaming sumakay. Meron kaming picture mamaya. Kukunin namin doon. Yun lang maipakita namin kasi bawal kami mag dala ng cellphone during sa rides namin. Woo!